a pigeon. Hi everyone! We're here at Shimbashi kasi according to Google Maps, andito ang pinakamalapit na McDonald's from our hotel. Of course, gusto namin matry yung McDonald's dito bago kami umuwi ng Pilipinas. Ayan na, nakikita ko na yung McDonald's from here. So this place, Shimbashi, this is just one station away from where we are staying in Tawaramachi. This is a 4-story McDonald's. There. Yan, so we all got the Teritama burger. This is actually a teriyaki burger with egg in it. This has egg.
Basta pinili namin yung bago.
So all in the family got the same food. Yeah.
Pati tayo.
Ayan siya egg.
Yeah.
Kakagat na lang ako.
Dami naman in-order. Diba?
Ito yung 3rd floor.
CR.
Tapos,
Yes, ang CR.
ito yung paakyat sa 4th floor. So this is going now to the 2nd floor. We're done eating na, so maglalakad-lakad lang muna kami around the area before we head to I don't know where, kung saan kami pupunta. So, pasok lang kami dito sa area na to. I don't know where we are, but this is still in Shimbashi. Okay, after namin kumain sa McDonald's at mag-ikot-ikot ng konti near their station, we're going to Ginza na. So we need to go to the metro line again. So this is the train going to Ginza. So we're here na in Ginza. Dad, 350 years, hindi 350 branches. Na-shock naman. Okay, we're here in Mitsukoshi in Ginza. Okay. Para namang may bibilin ako dito. Anyway, kagagaling lang namin ng GU. Bumili lang ako ng jacket. Tapos yung mga bata, bumili lang din ng mga shirts. So, pupunta na kami sa next destination namin. We don't have much time to go around kasi bukas babalik na kami ng Narita. So, and gusto lang talaga makita ng mga anak ko kung anong meron sa Ginza. So yan, nandito na kami sa Nihonbashi. Nihonbashi is a business district and it's home to many of Japan's largest companies. Kids want to have merienda and dito lang kami sa Nihonbashi bumili ng sa tabi-tabi ng mga pastries. Super dami namin kinuha but it's only like what? 3,800 yen. So ito yung first table and then ito yung next and then ito yung next. Sa money natin, siguro mga 1,400 lang yan. Pero super dami. May melon pa.
Yun na siya libre. Nagtataka siya yan. Hindi naman magbabayad. Parang sa Taiwan. I'll eat this. I'll eat the last.
This is Yakult. Nakakainis ka.
Ay, ganun talaga eh. Malik ba?
Okay, we're here in Ueno. Akyat muna kami ng punta kami ng Ueno Park.
Buena Park muna. It's our last day here in Tokyo. Bukas, narita na kami. We have one day in Japan tomorrow. Mama, look. So, dito na kami sa Ueno Park. Unfortunately, wala pa masyadong sakura. Ayun, meron. Nag-iisa. Anyway. So, nakaupo na lang kami dito. After this, we're gonna go to Ameoko. So, right now, nag-iisa lang ang cherry blossom tree dito sa Ueno. Ayan, pinagkakagulan lahat ng turista. Kasi hindi pa nag-bloom yung iba. Top of Ueno Park. Pero syempre, wala na, pagod na kami. I don't think so kung pupuntahan namin yan. Mukhang hanggang dito na lang kami. Yan o, haba pa ng lalakarin, no, just to go there. So this is the entrance to Ameyokocho. Okay. Tara, let's go check what we can buy here. Yan, so nakabili ako ng mga magnets and chopsticks. Manod ka. Hi! Masarap. Oh, yan. What the? Bili ka. Okay. Thank you. Bili ako t-shirt. Oh. Sandra. So, super haba nitong street na to. Grabe. I was caught off guard. Did you hear that? I know, right?
Hay nako, mga makeup junkies. Anyway, hanggang dito na lang. This is Nell. Bye!